Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the relationship status in Badoo. Now let's begin. Do note that you can do this from the mobile application as well. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. Do note I have already logged in. In case you have not, do log in right now. What we need to do to change our relationship status is simply go to our profile. The button's right here at the bottom right. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. Now what we need to do is simply edit our details. Right here at the rightmost section on the top, you will find an icon like this, a profile icon with a pen. Simply click on it. Then you'll be in the profile settings page. Simply scroll down till you see something like relationship. It's right under this more about you section. Click on this relationship tab right here. Then this will open up. It's gonna give you a few options like single, taken, complicated, open, or I'd rather not say. Simply select whichever one you wish and click on this green button right here. And guys, there you go. That's how you change your relationship status in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.